Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from Lancôme. Their Skin Feels Good Hydrating Tinted Moisturizer. If you're looking for that perfect blend of skincare and makeup, stay tuned because this might just be your new favorite CC cream. Lancome's Skin Feels Good is not your average tinted moisturizer. It's packed with skincare benefits like SPF 23, antioxidants, and hyaluronic acid, making it ideal for achieving a natural, healthy glow while protecting your skin from the sun. Let's talk about the texture. It's lightweight and hydrating, perfect for all skin types from normal to oily. The formula blends like a dream, giving you sheer to medium coverage that feels weightless on the skin. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or prefer the no-makeup makeup look, this tinted moisturizer delivers. What about coverage? It's buildable, so you can customize it based on your preference. Start with a sheer layer for a subtle glow, or layer it up for more coverage where needed. The finish? It's radiant without being greasy, giving your skin that lit from within look we all crave. I've worn this throughout the day, and I must say, it holds up remarkably well. It doesn't oxidize or settle into fine lines, which is a huge plus. Plus, it's formulated not to clog pores, so you can confidently wear it daily without worrying about breakouts. Lancôme offers a good range of shades, catering to various skin tones. I'm using the shade 02C Natural Blonde, which blends seamlessly into my complexion. It's great to see inclusivity in shade options, ensuring there's something for everyone. For best results, start by dotting the product on the center of your face and blend outwards for sheer coverage. If you prefer more coverage, layer where needed and blend gently using your fingers, a brush, or a damp beauty sponge. Overall, Lancome's Skin Feels Good Hydrating Tinted Moisturizer is a winner in my book. It combines skincare benefits with makeup effortlessly, giving you that fresh-faced look with added sun protection. Whether you're running errands or heading to work, this CC cream is a time saver and a skincare treat rolled into one. That wraps up our review today. If you've tried this tinted moisturizer or have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this. Until next time, stay beautiful.